HARP Technology, High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. The HARP project is funded by the Office of Naval Research and jointly managed by Air Force Research Laboratory and the ONR with the principal involvement of the University of Alaska. In 1990, the program began. Specifications of the project were developed by the universities, which are continuing to play a major role in the design of future research efforts. The project strives for openness, and all activities are logged and publicly available according to the HARP's management. Scientists without security clearances, even foreign nationals, are routinely allowed on site. The HARP facility regularly hosts open houses, during which time any civilian may tour the entire facility. In addition, scientific results obtained with the HARP are routinely published in major research, written both by U.S. Department of Defense Research Lab scientists or university scientists. Each summer, the HARP holds a summer school for visiting students, especially foreign nationals, giving them an opportunity to do research with one of the world's foremost research instruments. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HARP, is actually an ionospheric research program jointly funded by the University of Alaska, U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Navy, and the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, DARPA. Built by BAE Advanced Technologies, its purpose is to investigate the potential for developing ionospheric enhancement technology for radio communications and surveillance, and also analyze the ionosphere. The HARP program operates a major subarctic facility named the HARP Research Station on an Air Force-owned site near Gacona, Alaska. The most prominent instrument at the HARP station is the Ionospheric Research Instrument, IRI, a high-power radio frequency transmitter facility operating in the high-frequency HF band. The IRI is used to excite a limited area of the ionosphere. Other instruments such as a VHF and a UHF radar, a flux gate magnetometer, a digisonde, and an induction magnetometer are used to study the physical processes that occur in the excited region. The current working IRI was completed in 2007, and its prime contractor was BAE Systems Advanced Technologies. Work on the HARP station began actually in 1993. As 2008, HARP had incurred around $250 million in tax-funded construction and operating costs. HARP has been blamed by conspiracy theorists for a range of events, especially natural disasters. Various scientists have commented that HARP is an attractive target for conspiracy theorists because, according to the scientist David Nidich, its purpose, HARP's purpose, seems deeply mysterious to the scientific